Okay, it's Rich B and AZ, and today I'm going to try and make a little tool that will stop the tire bead following me around when I'm using the tire lever. So I'm going to cut this strip out of this piece of plastic tubing. You can see I've already done some cutting on it. And I'm going to heat it, and I'm going to cut this out here, drill a hole through it. I'm going to cut this off and bend it in there after I've heated it. Yeah, not so good with the sawing. Left this notch in there, a bit undercut there. Fix that with my round file. Right, so it's a really ancient heat gun. You close the vent on the back down, that's what this thing does. Gets it super hot. Bit of plastic and my bending jig. Okay. Finally found the off switch, and there we go. Got it nice and soft. So it's in the jig. And just let it sit there for a bit. Right, so this is the finished product. I don't know which side's going to grip better. This still has a bit of the pipe curvature in it. So this side has got two edges on the inside, and this one, the two edges are on the outside. So that will probably grip the tire, and this one might grip the hub or the wheel. We'll have to see next time I get a tire on which one works. So the plan is to hook it on the rim just like this. This is my tool, tire lever tool. And then you put a tire lever on here and hook it up over both parts. You hook it up over the duckbill here, and I'm going to hook it up over this. Hopefully this will stay in place, and then when I turn this it will just move around. Okay, so after discovering that the little tool I made slips under extreme circumstances, I'm going to try some of this shelf liner in the recess like this. Just going to glue it in place with a bit of RTV. Get it ready so the next time we change a tire I can try that and see if it stops it sliding. Right, so I've got some bathtub cork smeared on. Let's see if I can put it in there without getting it all over myself. I'm going to do the same on the other side, just so I have one of each.